Today, I'm making a healthy air fryer chicken with a creamy yogurt and peanut butter lettuce salad. This recipe is simple, high in protein, and perfect for a healthy family dinner. First, I cut the chicken open to allow the seasoning to marinate properly. I add my pepper, curry powder, thyme, black soy sauce. It's very important. Add salt, olive oil, mix properly, then add my chicken and mix everything properly. Allow the seasonings to soak in properly into the chicken. Air fry at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Flipping halfway through to allow it to cook properly. So while that cooks, I'm preparing the salad. The two vegetables I'll be using for the salad is lettuce and cucumber. So in a bowl, I'm mixing plain Greek yogurt, healthy one, no sugar added. Then 1 tablespoon of honey. Mix properly together. Then organic healthy peanut butter, no sugar added. Very, very healthy. Then add the vegetables. And gently mix everything together. The chicken is now golden and crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. This meal is healthy, delicious, and very easy to make at home. I hope you enjoy this simple and delicious dinner idea. Like and subscribe for more healthy videos like this. Thanks for watching and stay blessed. Bye.